we kind of made a list of everything that was important to us, what we needed, and this is actually how we came upon the I.DOT. It hit our major points the best. One of the key criteria for us is that we needed to be able to add a broad spectrum of liquids to these arrays. Our workflows use anything from, organic solvents like acetonitrile to aqueous buffers, solutions with 50% glycerol, cell suspension. So we really needed something that could work for all of that. We also needed something really that could handle parallel liquid dispensing. Like I mentioned, there's over 1,000 droplets on that one array. So if we're dispensing them individually, it's going to take a lot of time. So we really liked that we could do, 8 dispenses at once with the I.DOT. It actually enabled some of our workflows. We also needed it to be adjustable to different microarray densities. We didn't want something that would only work for one specific density of microarray. We wanted to be able to switch our densities and also use it in a traditional microtiter plate format. We wanted a more versatile instrument.